Hi. Last episode we built out the contacts form fields, tabs, everything organized and previewed it in test mode. I have added some sample contacts before this recording, so we have something to filter. You will be able to see them on the screen soon. I also prepared something else between episodes, which I'll show you in a moment. Our contact list shows everyone, which is fine until you have hundreds of them. In real life, people want to slice it. Just the decision makers, just the recent contacts, just this quarter. Today, we do that with advanced filters. Reusable filters we prepare once and attach to a view. As always, by hand first, then with the assistant. A quick distinction. Any user can do a quick throwaway filter right on a column, like in here, for example, Smith. An advanced filter is different. It's a named, predefined filter that configurators build once, and it can be reused. We can attach it to a view, so the right subset is one click away for everyone. Let's build one. A habit from episode 1. Every batch of related changes get its own branch. I create one now. Hit episode 3, filters, and create. Everything I built from here lands on this branch, not on main. Commit at the end pushes it to test mode. Deploy when we're ready, sends it to production. Let's go. A filter needs a data source. This is what tells you which records and columns to work with. I prepared demo contacts DS between episodes. Here. It's a simple query that pulls all the contacts. I'm going to show you that also the contacts view uses this data source now too. That's not a coincidence. The filter and the view must share the same data source. The filter conditions reference columns names from that source. So if they are out of sync, the filter has nothing to match against. Next episode is entirely about building data sources from scratch. So for now, notice that both point to the same place. Now we're going to build the filter itself. The name from the resource as usual. The code fills in automatically. Next. Now the data source that I have just showed you. We can also choose columns that are going to be visible by default. Let's choose couple. There is also an option to sort the columns. Today we are not going to use it. And next, add it to a module. And down. Now we can go to the filter definition. Let's choose a position list. It's going to be equal to IT manager or a CEO. One condition, but you can chain as many as you need with and or. In here, list fields work as well as the number ranges. Now I'm going to open the contact list. I'm going to go to the column settings. And in here to the advanced filters. And I'm going to attach the one that we have just created. That's the link between the filter definition and the specific view. The same filter could be attached to multiple views if needed. Back on the list, we need to refresh. And the filter is one click away. These are our decision makers, only IT managers and CEOs. One rule, no user had to build it themselves. We can turn it on and off again. Now a second filter. We're gonna ask the assistant for help. Okay, so I have asked the assistant to create a filter to show only the last 30 days, attach it to the module, and wire it to the view. We can just wait until it's done working. I don't think it's gonna take a long time. It's creating the element. Our filter is created. Now the assistant needs to notify about the changes. This is done too, and now attach it to a view. Last step, it's going to be added to a module. And it's done. Close it. Back to the list, refresh again, and another filter is on. Recent contacts added by the assistant. 2 reusable lenses on the same list. One more thing in the view settings worth knowing separately from the predefined filter. There is a checkbox, advanced filters, that enables advanced filtering on the view at all. If it's on, we can choose the columns. Off, we cannot choose them. Let's turn it on and enable a handful of them. Once it's on, you get a second layer of control. We can decide per column which fields a user can build their filters on, and directly in the app. No configurator needed. These aren't our predefined filter. They are the columns available when a user wants to create an ad-hoc rule on the spot. Let's go back to the list, refresh, and now we can open the filters. There is one that we don't need. Let's add our own rule. Let's say estimated value is gonna be greater than 30,000. Let's name it. And save. We can see only the values after greater than 30,000. A configurator-defined filter like ours is visible to everyone on the view automatically. No separate permissions needed. If we want to share our filter, we need to press the share button. And then everybody is going to see it too. So if you need a filter that only one team sees, the clean answer is a dedicated view for that team with its own filters attached. One view, one audience, one set of filters. So there's the payoff. The same list, reshaped on demand, decision makers, recent contacts, or everyone. Next episode, we go one level deeper. Instead of filtering a view, we shape the data and its source with our own data source. See you there!